Hi, this is John with WATI. And in the point of trying to build an immune system that is going to be powerful enough to keep myself out of colds and being in bed from like mostly what happened, this apple cider vinegar that has already the prebiotics and has ginger, lemon, and honey, this is an all in one. So, one of the things that I like the most about this is how effective it is. So apple cider vinegar is already pretty good. For every single time I take a scoop of this with just one spoon, put it in water, dilute it, and I drink it, and has been just a great option for me just to help and support my immune system in my case. Same happens with my mother. She is built like a rock. She barely gets sick, and I can tell you that having this routine, using this for even dressing salads, or using this just to drink it like I told that I do mostly, it's really good. So this was John with WATI, and that was my point of view.